All right. Hello and welcome back. We're going to be doing a SR redraw or at least a review. The lows are holding up quite nicely. I didn't do one yesterday on Sunday because of all the gapping and strong momentum volume filled moves that we've seen, these explosive candles and previous gapping last week on opening. I don't want to draw and then have it all just gapped out on Monday. And also, regardless, with my strat, we don't really enter on Monday. If we do, it is for the closed Monday candle on 11 at 11 p.m. CET. So let's just get to it. Let's start painting. Let's do the Bob Ross and see what's good. Nothing really here. This isn't invalidated. It's still the volume zone. So I'm here. And also, it has to rearrange down here. This, though, but it isn't really paintable. So keep in mind, I'm not looking for setups now. I am just repainting. So this would be the optimal. Oh, we do actually have a triple touch here previously. Mm-hmm. Bit further down. This is pretty solid, but it has been invalidated. I would strongly prefer it to rearrange, but a placeholder for now would be fine. Okay, so this is junk now. Mhm. Okay, so it's filled out volume bottoms all the way down here. We'll just have to see what Bitcoin does from there. Same here, the range has been extended. We have a wick and a body touch. We also have some previous reaction, so that's fine. Just some minor adjustments. Here we are waiting for the rearrange, but if you want to paint on this, you can. You can see there's a new range forming here, but you're at the danger of inflation. So what I would do is I would remove all current drawings, do the standard set. So this would be a clean redraw. I go to your level the level that you want because this is an ATH, right? Or no? But it doesn't matter. It's a double touch. So and then do your lows like that, and it's less inflationary. Now you have a potential CR or a BO depending on how this develops. I'd also set a max low in case of developments. See how clean that looks now? That looks perfect. All right. Same case here. Complete redraw. Try to avoid inflation on it. And what is this? 15 minutes, indecision. It's too uncertain. Actually, it's too uncertain. All right, let's keep going down. Nothing much to draw on here. That was that nice BO. We just moved our levels a bit, but nothing too significant. Same story here. This would essentially be a BO potential trigger. Need higher levels for BOs, which would be here. That's a nice big old range here. We're seeing the same stuff here. Ranges are narrowing in a bit. Not a crisis or anything like that. Inflation, touch. So, yeah, that's fine. Also, keep in mind for the remainder of the week, I will not be entering setups as I have reached my monthly max being at 10.7%, hitting that the first week. Can't draw on this. This has been invalidated. I mean, let's do that. Not much to do with this pair right now. You can move down a bit, lower levels. This looks a bit distorted, but new info is always king. It always rolls. Yeah, so we do have some previous lows here that are more grounded with the range. Mm-hmm. Pretty clear level here, but the relevancy of it, don't know. Yeah, these have relevancy, but they're far away. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so that's the re-range. Kind of inflated. So good. Mm-hmm. Small adjustment here. Mind you, you don't need to draw levels on these. We're looking for perfect setups. Setups that check every single box. A lot of guys forget about it, but we do have a stonks. No, that we do have that too, but we do have a where is it? Beginner guide. Oh, it's just called the beginner guide. I made a little nice checklist here with the terminology explained, how it should be done, and all that. We're looking for perfectly nice setups that check all the boxes in the strat. So there's no need to hurry in finding SR areas or anything else like. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Very interesting. Very interesting. Don't jump into them though. There's a lot of there's a lot of volume unloading on Monday. So what you'll see is strong movement in one direction, but very commonly it'll switch up, which is why my win rate is so low on Monday. If I enter like 11 p.m. Sunday, my win rate is so bad. Some people succeed though. It's just how I do it. All right. Also, I will be going to Oslo today. So I will be gone for a couple of days because I'm no longer on a laptop. I'm on a stationary computer. I will not be uploading for those days. Those days will be market scan days. I will be active in the Discord though, so you can just ask me, hit me up with questions. What do you think about this setup? Blah blah blah, and we'll see what go on with it. Yeah, for those wondering, I did not know I was going to Oslo today until a few days ago. My lawyer messaged me. He's like, "Yo, can you come in a couple days?" I said, "Yes, sir." Clean, clean, clean. This is very interesting. Dude, that's a huge range. Got good potential. Oh my. The 200 MA is there. Oh, okay. Yeah, so fuck that. Get it down through the candle. We got the touch here. USD knock. This has been a it's been a piece of shit forever. And now it's finally giving us something. Things are stabilizing. Silver dump. Did gold dump too? Yeah, it did. Fuck. Remember I had a short here on Runa X? I went here all the way up and I just cut that shit out. Now it's all the way down there. I am pretty bullish on gold long term, but right now it was so overbought. The hype always catches on. You never want to buy hype. You never want to sell panic. But yeah, that's the way it is. That's all. We got them all covered. We got all the pairs painted. If you got any questions or anything else, feel free to ask me in the Discord. And with that, I'll end the video right here. Thank you guys for watching, and bye bye.